Hi, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get structured responses from the latest AI model, in this case, OpenAI O1 preview. Because the issue, as you can see here, in make.com, you can't request for a response format in a JSON object. So in a previous video, we mentioned how using this structured format, this structured response allows us to really leverage AI inside our workflows. So in this case, I'll show you, I'm talking about here, just asking for parse JSON response and the response format being JSON object. So it's great because as you can see here, we can just, if you want our result to be structured, we can use it for different things easily, right? The results for multiple variables or so on, it can be used easily. However, if we're using the O1 preview, that option is not available. Here, as I'm using O1 preview and requesting for JSON object response format to parse the JSON, I get an error. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to show you how to solve this, and I'm going to run this scenario so I can show you the result. So yeah, as you know, the O1 preview model does not have the option for the JSON format at the response in make.com. So what we're doing is we're parsing the information to be able to include it in a JSON in the most simple way. So I highly encourage you to use this model. I mean, it uses chain of thought, and it's great to follow specific custom instructions. Okay, so awesome. So now that we got the result, as you can see, we have some errors to parse this information. The first thing is that we have a new line here at the end of the response, and also between the two keys in the JSON. So the first thing we are doing before going to a text parser to replace some values, the input, we are doing especially that. We're removing the new lines in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. So in my case, I'm having two outputs, two results. You can see it here. To result, the title and the description. So I want to remove those. That's for the input. Then, number one, remove spaces from the beginning, middle, and end of the JSON. Number two, you'll need to change, because since the result, there was a paragraph, there were already included new lines, so you'll get duplicate backlashes. So we're going to change this to this, which that's what basically this module does. And then at the end, what we are doing is we are removing the backlashes from the titles, and we are doing it this way. So this is a simple way in which you can change from having a, let's say, text structured output as requested from O1 preview to have something that you can use super simply as this, right? I have the options to use it inside the workflow. So actually, don't miss on it. You'll need to request O1 preview or the model to output a JSON format. So yeah, let me know what you think. I hope this was valuable. And remember, don't repeat, automate. Bye.